Hello students, today we will discuss some different questions of observations book, and fifth question of chapter 8 is in an isosceles triangle two angles are in the ratio 1:4. We know that in isosceles triangle opposite angles of equal sides are equal, and we are given that two angles are in the ratio 1:x. Then one angle will be 1x and second will be 4x, and find the measure of angles of the triangle. But we have to find all the three angles of triangle. Then firstly we will assume measure of two angles of isosceles triangle be x and 4x. One is 1x and second is 4x. Then third angle will be there are two possible cases. In the first case we will assume that third angle is 1x, and in second case we will assume that third angle is equal to 4x, because it is not given that what is third angle. Okay, and we know that in isosceles triangle, if it is an isosceles triangle, these sides are equal, then its opposite angles will also be equal, and we are given that any of the two angles are x and 4x. Let it be x and it be 4x. Okay, and if it is x, then it will also be x, because opposite angles of equal sides are equal. Then in the first case we will assume that third angle is x, and in second case we will assume that this angle is x and this angle is 4x, and then third angle, that means this angle will be 4x. Okay, so in second case we will assume that third angle is equal to 4x. Then now we have to find the value of x, then we will find value of all angles. Then first case is, let third angle is equal to x, then by angle sum property x plus 4x plus x is equal to 180 degree, then 6x is equal to 180, then x is equal to 30 degree. So measure of all angles of isosceles triangle are 30 degree, 30 degree and 120 degree. So these are the measures of angles of an isosceles triangle. And in the next case we will assume that third angle is 4x. Then by angle sum property, one angle is x and other two angles are 4x and 4x, and their addition is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 20 degree. Then measure of all angles of isosceles triangle are 20, 80 and 80. So these are measure of isosceles triangle. Next is ninth question. Ninth question, and we are given a diagram. We are given this figure, triangle ADC, and in this triangle there is a line AB that is dividing that triangle into two triangles, and we have to find measure of angle Y. This is angle Y. To find value of angle Y, firstly we will see triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle because we are given this sign. That means all the sides are equal. That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. That means ABC is an equilateral triangle. So all angles of an equilateral triangle are equal to 60 degree. So angle A, angle B and angle C, all three angles are 60 degree. So we will write here 60 degree. Okay, and then triangle ABD. This is triangle ABD, and in this triangle these signs are shown. That means these sides are equal to each other. So this triangle is an isosceles triangle because only two sides are equal. So this is isosceles triangle. Triangle ABD is an isosceles. If triangle is isosceles triangle, then its opposite angles will be equal. Opposite angles of equal sides are equal, and the angle opposite to AB is angle ADB, and angle opposite to DB is angle DAB. So these angles will be equal, and this is angle Y. So this angle will also be equal to Y. and then we have to find value of y. To find the value of y, we will use angle sum property in triangle ADC. In this triangle, we will use angle sum property. By angle sum property, angle ADC plus this angle plus angle DCA plus angle CAD is equal to 180 degree. Then what is value of angle ADC? Angle ADC is equal to y. Then write here y, and then angle DCA and it is equal to 60 degree. Then next is angle CAD is equal to y plus 60 degree, because there are two angles in this angle. This angle is a combination of two angles, so it is addition of y and 60. Then it is equal to 180 degree. Then we will solve this equation, and after solving we get y is equal to 30 degree. So value of y is 30 degree. Next is 10th question. We are given figure, triangle PQS is given, and PR is altitude, because here 90 degree angle is formed, and we are given a reflex angle. This angle, this is equal to 290 degree, and this is 40 degree. This is y and it is x. And in this figure we have to find the measure of angle x and angle y. To find value of x and y, firstly we will find this angle. To find this angle, we already know that all the complete angle is equal to 360 degree. We know that measure of complete angle is equal to 360 degree. Then we will add all these angles in this complete angle. Okay, one is angle QPR, that means this angle QPR, and second is 290 degree, then 40 degree. Sum of these angles is equal to 360 degree. Then we can find value of angle QPR, and it is 30 degree. Then write here 30 degree. Okay, and then to find the value of x, we will use angle sum property in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, we will use angle sum property, because we are given two angles and third angle can be easily found. Angle QPR plus angle PRQ plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. Then value of x is 60. Similarly, we will use angle sum property in triangle PSR, this triangle. Then 40 degree plus 90 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Then we can find value of y, and y is equal to 50 degree. Next is 11th question. In the given figure below, find the value of x and y. In this question, we have to find value of angle x and angle y. Firstly, in triangle PRS, we are given a triangle PRS, and its two angles are given, and y is its exterior angle. Y is exterior angle of triangle PRS. Then we will use exterior angle property. Then by exterior angle property in triangle PRS, we have angle PRQ. Angle PRQ is equal to angle RPS plus angle PSR. Then value of angle PRQ is y, and angle RPS is 15 degree, and angle PSR is 40 degree. Then y is equal to 55 degree. Similarly, in triangle TQR, x is its exterior angle. X is exterior angle, and 52 degree and y are interior opposite angles. Then here again we will use exterior angle property in triangle TQR. By exterior angle property, we get x is equal to 107 degree. So we have find value of x and y. So these are questions of some special triangles. Thank you.